So let's see what's new in the new Apple Watch. The S4 chip, which is 2 times faster than the previous model, 30% larger display, haptic feedback in the crown, 50% louder speaker, relocated microphone. That's what's new in the new Apple Watch Series 4. So is it worth upgrading? In my opinion, yes, but I, unlike most people, am a collector of new Apple devices, so of course I'm gonna buy a new Apple device when it comes out. If you're that type of person, then go for it. If you want the latest and greatest technology and money is not a big problem, then go for it. However, if you like to be a little more efficient and conserving money, then I'd say hold off, because Apple Watch Series 3 is still pretty new and it's still pretty fast. So opening up the box, we are greeted by the Apple Watch box as well as a separate box for the strap. The version that I have, as far as I know, is the most expensive one, that being the gold stainless steel 44mm with the gold Milanese loop to match my iPhone. So we do have really beautiful gold accents all around the Apple Watch, and I really like the stainless steel border which matches the iPhone XS Max and the XS in gold colors. What else is in the box is the least powerful 5-watt charger as well as the power cord. And we do have some Apple warranty papers, but no stickers, and some instructions as well. Now let's take a look at the strap, or the Milanese loop. I really like how it looks not too flashy while it still keeps its beautiful goldish look. We also have a red ring on the crown, unlike the Apple Watch Series 3 which has a red dot, which I think was a right move. I didn't really like the red dot on the Apple Watch Series 3. Turning it on was painfully long, but I kind of expected that because I did own all the previous Apple Watches. Alright, so now I've set up the Apple Watch and it works great. Display is very nice. Small bezels, just like the iPhone X. And it looks great in this gold color. So, I'm gonna download all the stuff that I need and enjoy this beautiful OLED display. Thanks for watching.